subscribe to Mahi and Mani show and press on the bell icon to be updated with all our videos.
Hi friends, welcome to Mahi and Mani show. Today I will teach you the second chapter of my class, that is healthy habit. This is the chapter of second class. So in this healthy habits there are total 3 parts. Firstly, there is a clean body, a healthy body and good posture. So I will tell you about three types of healthy habits one by one. Firstly, there is a clean body. So there are some points to maintain a clean body. So first point is take bath daily. So it is necessary to take bath daily. Next is shampoo and oil your hair as dirty hair can get lice. We have to oil and shampoo our hair because it can get dirty and get jumped. And this lice meaning is, in this Hindi, this lice meaning is Jew. जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे जू की पिक्चर देख सकते हो. Next is brush your teeth twice a day. So we have to brush our teeth in 2 times in a day. Firstly in morning and second in before sleeping. Next is trim your nail and keep them clean. So we have to get short our nail and not get jammed on it. Next point is wash your hand before and after meal. So we have to wash our hands with soap before and after eating. Next is cover your nose when you sneeze. So we have to cover our nose while sneezing. Next is flush toilet after use. So we have to flush the toilet after use. Next is we should not spit on road. So in this तो इस कोरोना में हमको रोड पे स्पिट नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे के अंदर जर्म पैदा कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज वियर क्लीन क्लॉथ्स. सो वी हैव टू वियर क्लीन क्लॉथ्स. Next is comb your hair regularly. So we have to comb our hair regularly. Next is a healthy body. So there are also some points and I will explain you. First point is eat healthy food. So we have to eat healthy food. Next is drink at least 8 to 10 glass of clean water every day. So we have to drink 8 to 10 glass of clean water every day. Next is sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours every day. So we have to sleep 8 to 9 hours every day. Next is exercise regularly. So we have to do exercise regularly in the day of morning. Next is play some games or sports regularly. So we have to play games like catching ball, basketball, cricket, etc. Next point is avoid eating much junk food. So we have to not eat the junk food in this corona. Next is good posture. So do you know what is the meaning of posture? So I will explain you what is the meaning of this word posture. So the way we hold our body while sitting and standing is called as our posture. So while sitting or while standing, we hold our body in which way is known as our posture. And a good posture is very important for our body. A good posture help us to be physically fit. So a posture can help us to be physically fit. And there is some picture and I will explain you. This, we have to stand straight, not like this. And we have to sit straight like this, and we have to sit not like this. So I think you have understand this healthy habit. So do you want to take a screenshot? You can take. I will count till 5. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I hope you have taken the screenshot and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.